Hello my dear friend, in this video you are going to learn how to draw a 3D hole. So please stay with me until the end of the video. Thank you! You are going to learn a lot of 3D drawing tricks in this channel. I upload educational video for you every day. If you have seen the video so far, leave a comment with a red heart. I want to see how watch the video, and then please subscribe to see the next videos. My dear friend, I posted an interesting drawing trick video in the end screen, which is waiting for you to go and see it. I will see you in the next video.